Hey, Chuck Cashman, Chief Revenue Officer with MarineMax, coming to you from the Miami Boat Show. Standing here, anytime you see 400R Mercuries on the back of a boat, you know what's in front of it's going to be pretty cool. And this boat's no exception. This is the SLX-R 350 by Sea Ray. This is debuting here at the show. It has an incredible display. 350 SLX, to some degree, revolutionized boating. This was a boat that came out a few years ago with Sea Ray. Market really didn't exist. It's hundreds of boats right now. This has been one of the most successful boats ever launched, and the reason is it is the perfect day boat. You get out in here, you bring 10, 12 of your friends, everybody's got a place to sit, everybody can move through the boat, you can cook, you've got coolers, you've got space, you've got performance, it's got sex appeal. The boat is all that. This boat is even better. So we'll walk on and you're gonna see immediately you got a beautiful aft-facing seat. Stores down, pops open, come down here, and I'll tell you, this is a cool feature. Pull that out, and there you go. This is a good day when you're out anchored at your island. You've got your family swimming out in the water. We talk about that all the time. Access to water is amazing. Probably the biggest trend. Really, really soft on your feet. We've got the sea deck, which makes it beautiful. Come on board and you see modified seating. Start here. Beautiful grill. I've cooked about 100 meals on these grills. They're awesome. They cook just like your house. You've got refrigeration. You've got seating for 15 people in this boat. Little modification here with the aft-facing seat, which I like, because when you're all out, everybody's face to face. You don't have people facing the other way. You're looking out at the water. Very, very comfortable seat. And you look at the new upholstery. It's got the perforated looking vinyl with a pattern inside, really special stitching. Outlet out here, you think, man, what do you got an outlet on a boat for? That's where you plug in your blender. It's awesome. Coming forward, this Helm is in line with the boat. So the R series is performance. It's got red lighting, it's got special carbon fiber, it's got a special interior, it's got the 400R Mercuries. It's for that buyer that would buy an AMG Mercedes or the Audi RS. The Simrad panel, this is actually the first time I've seen it. This is awesome. This whole panel is one piece. Normally you'll see a glass dash, what they'll call a glass dash, and they'll stack them up. And you get a seam in there, you get caulking in there, you get little stuff that sticks in the caulking. This is one solid piece. And this electronics, it's in anchor mode right now, so it's got all the functions for the boat. It's got your chart plotter and the radar making sure nobody's approaching. When it's time to run, you hit the run mode, you go right to the engine. Those would be your engine tacks and your other instrumentation. Goes to a plotter, and then here's the boat mode when you first fire it up. You look at the autoclave carbon fiber, you get out in the sun, it's amazing. And this boat is all digital switching. All this is your redundancy. You've got your two engine start and stop, and then everything else is redundancy in case the glass panel goes out. The only drawback to glass panel, it's electronics, although today it's just about bulletproof. If it ever does go down, you've got all of your redundant switches right here. Killer Fusion stereo. See that right there? We've got it toned down so that you can hear me. And then here's a nice little area maybe for a kid to take a nap, child to take a nap, or to get out of the sun. Little changing room if you like. TV down there. And on the other side, really clever head. So we're going to open the head, we'll hit the hatch, and then you step down into a full dedicated Dometic head. No porta potty on this thing, which if you're going out there all day, on certain days, that's a must-have anymore, especially in a 35-foot boat. But the access to it is stellar. It's got nice headroom. See the skylight into the other. Then you come forward. I think this is the area where all of your guests are going to hang out. At the end of the day, it's a big, deep bow. You've got cup holders all through here. Little trays for your iPhones. Literally everybody that's on a boat today with all the social media, selfies, Instagram, they're all taking pictures. You've got outlets on both sides with 2 USB chargers, 2 here, 2 over there, because you're going to have 4, 5, 6 people. Everybody can keep their phones charged, which is very important today. But the attention to detail on this boat stands out as I spend time on it. Leather wrapped, so you have stainless steel handrails, but they're all wrapped with leather. The leather matches the stitching in the vinyl. As you go around, it'll pick up that accent down there. The boat just looks and feels special. And that's kind of what that AMG, Mercedes, R Series, M-Class BMW, right? These are buyers that have those cars they'll be drawn to this boat, because the 350, the SLX 350 was a special boat, is a special boat. Within that, this is really special. So it's fantastic. The red mood lighting is awesome. You're gonna want to go out at night so you can appreciate this boat. Full windlass up here as always. Got a little washdown on the bow, which is nice because you have a stainless steel anchor. Anchor comes up a little muddy sometimes. You pull this out, you rinse it off. If you're a boater, you'll appreciate that. If you're not a boater yet, you'll appreciate it when you own it. And I tell you, that's the quick tour of the SLX-R 350, new from Sea Ray. It's awesome. You got to check it out. Sea Ray celebrating 60 years, iconic brand, and they're on their game with this one.